Hi guys, it's Abby from #Squad, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime, butter slime basically, with 2 ingredients. So, let's go. This is the one I've already made. So stretchy, like literally. And all you need is Vaseline or any other body lotion and some blue tack. So, let's go. With your blue tack, get like as thin as possible. This is very hard because like blue tack is very hard. Pour your Vaseline, so you can see. Squirt some and just mix it in. And straight away it will start becoming slimy. And so yeah, that's basically all you need. And if you want it to be more stretchy, so it's like this, just add more blue tack and then add more Vaseline. So yeah, subscribe for future videos and #Squad. Please subscribe to be in our squad.